welcome back to Jayadamba Pearls. So today I'll be showing you the uncut beaded jewelry. So these are the beautiful earrings. So let us know more about this particular earring details, the weight and its price range information. So if you want to try any Jayadamba Pearls jewelry at home, you can try for free, and to fix the appointment you can check the contact number in the description, and you can also walk into our stores and we are taking all the safety measures. So let us know more about this particular jewelry collection, and here are the beautiful earrings and also the pendant set. So let us know.
Hello everyone, and this is a one beautiful jhumki with the ruby beads and with the 22 karat gold with the uncut diamonds, and it's in antique finishing. You can customize the beads as your choice, as pearl or emerald or blue beads, anything. And here also it's totally gold balls with the studded small size, and with the pearl with the circle of this thing, all in real uncut diamonds are studded in this, and the weight details are in this. Net weight it's carrying 43 grams, 43.5 grams, and in this the uncut diamond weights are nearly 2.5 carats of diamond weights are there, and beads 76 carats, and 21 cents of pearls are there in this. And this is a pendant with a green emerald, real emerald beads, same jhumki pattern. It's a half kind of jhumki you can wear. It's like a side brooch also. You can wear like a chain pendant, and you can wear it in beads or South Sea pearls. It's with also uncut diamonds and with a nakshi finishing with a peacock kind. And in these also weight it's carrying 16.2 grams of the net weight gold is there, and the flat diamonds are carrying around 80 cents, and the beads it's 25 carats, and the pearls are 6.5 carats it's carrying in this. And this is a beautiful chandbali with the heavy looks in lightweight, and the weight of this chandbali is 50 grams, and the beads it's carrying pearls and ruby, it's studded with uncut diamonds and 22 karat gold. The heavy look, and it's totally antique finishing. You can customize as per your choice. The beads also can be changed.
So hope you have loved all this particular jewelry, and we are also welcome for the customization. And guys, if you want to change or exchange your old gold into the new ones, so we are always welcome. You can walk into our store. You can exchange your old gold and you can take the new beautiful collection jewelry from Jayadamba Pearls. That's all for today guys. Do not forget to give your valuable comments in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.